Definitely swampy. Driver. Whoa! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, we are back out here with the TJ and with the teeth missing in the pinion. She was humming a little bit on the way here, but she doesn't sound too bad. I think we're gonna have a good day. And I don't know what it means, but yesterday when I popped the hood, a butterfly came out from under the hood. So I don't know if that's a good sign, but I think we're gonna have a good day. We made it all the way here, so there's that. Now we've got a great group with us today. We've got Ryan in Nightcrawler in his FX4, or his Pro 4X. I'm sorry, I'm horrible with Nissans. I really don't know the names of those things. But we've got TJ. Actually, that one's a JK. So we've got like 4 or 5 TJs and a JK, and we've also got the 4Runner. Now the Xterra over there is not coming with us, unfortunately, not today. But we do have another guy coming, and if you guys have been watching the channel, then you'll remember Darnell. He is bringing his TJ on 40s, and yeah, he's on his way here. That's the last person we're waiting for, so it should be a good time. So let's go, let's head to the trail now. We'll start airing down, and hopefully we have a good time. And Darnell just showed up with the Jeep, and it is on a trailer because yeah, she's a bit of a beast. I do think that it can go down the road fine, but it's just easier to trailer it here, so that's what they did today. And if you guys want, I'll give you guys a quick overview of all of the rigs, just a quick walk by. So we've got 4Runner. It looks like he's running 33s. We've got the TJ on 35s. We've got the JK also on 33s. Another TJ 35s, my TJ 33s, the Nissan's on 33s, and the other TJ over there is also on 33s. And I think everybody has arrived, so let's go, let's head out, and let's get dirty. Well, we made it. Big Bird made it. And we are back on the trails. Now it should be a good day. Everything is working as it should, and this trail is definitely an interesting one, and I have sort of mixed feelings about this one. The first time I came here, I got body damage. Second time I came here, body damage. Third time I came here, I split my transfer case into 3 pieces. So yeah, laugh now, but yeah, the last time we were here, we slept in the Jeep, so let's not repeat that. But today we've got teeth missing in the pinion, so if we came broken, that means that we are already broken and the trail can't do anything to us, right? Yeah, that's it. Because every time I come here and nothing's broken, the trail ends up breaking something. So I figured this time we'll bring the Jeep a little bit limping, and yeah. But let's go, let's have a good time, and let's send it. And I did change out the throttle body before we came here last time, so it is a lot less jittery. Like now I can actually press the throttle and it's not throwing me in my seat every single time. It's not jostling me around. Like I can get off the throttle, get back on it, get off the throttle, get back on it, and it's okay. Like it's not throwing me around, because it was really bad last time. And you can, like, you remember?
Yeah, no, we definitely have a lot more control this time.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, we were literally dying at the end. We did not have a good time. So hopefully this time's a lot better, and so far everything is kind of shaping out to be a good day. Well, it looks like we've already had our first mishap of the day. 4Runner looks like it blew a sidewall. Okay. Oh. Okay, good thing I wore the trail Jordans, cause yeah.
We did it.
Jeez!
I caught air on that one on the
Fuck. Alright, let's go see what's going on.
Okay, what size are these?
Oh shit. Are these 33s?
No, I think it's just... Well, it's just the bolt pattern we need to know what someone else has fit on it.
Alright, well it looks like that's the culprit right there.
Oh,
Oh no.
So unfortunately, we're gonna have to figure something out because he doesn't have a spare with him, which isn't the best situation right now. Because this thing is 6 lug and we don't have any other vehicles out here that are 6 lug. As you can see, no spare on the back. I think they're about a 33, but the only problem is we would have to mount a new tire on there off of one of our tires. So we'd have to demount a tire off our spares and mount one. That is an option, but let me regroup for a second and see what the plan is going to be.
Which way do you release? This way. Same thing? Yeah, go ahead.
Watch it not come up now.
Anyone got a regular jack that'll... Doesn't the vehicle have a jack?
Oh no, I never used it.
Oh, yeah, just grab that, because usually the one that comes with your vehicle is the best one to use. Unless you got a Jeep, you just hook it on the fucking rock sliders and just
Pull it up.
pull it out, yeah.
So the plan is to take off the wheel. They're gonna hop in with another guy, go and take care of it. Hopefully we can get something mounted and come back, throw it on and continue on. We are probably gonna continue on. He's gonna basically just get a wheel so he can get the vehicle out of the trail. And yeah, we're gonna keep going and hopefully we all make it through. And we've got the trail dog with us today. Hey, big guy.
Ziggy! I said a zig, a zag, a ziggity zig, a zag.
Who's a big guy?
Sit down, mister.
I like his chain. He's got style. We got her off, and you can see there is definitely a good sized gash in there. So we could plug it. We could stuff like 23 plugs in there and hope for the best. But I think we're just gonna try to actually go get another tire because we actually need to get this thing out of here. Well, good luck.
Thank you guys.
Good luck, brother. Let me know. They got the tire loaded up in the TJ, and yeah, wish them luck. Hopefully they can get everything fixed. 4Runner's gonna live here until it gets its tire. So yeah. Well, back in the Jeep. Let's go find some obstacles because I can't wait to actually go do some rock crawling. And yeah, it's not an off-roading day until something goes wrong. Whether it's me or whether it's somebody else, I don't wish it upon anybody. But yeah, it is what it is. We'll get through it. And I think everybody's ready to go. So let's go and let's hit some obstacles because there's a lot of good ones in here. And I can't wait to go and actually get on the rocks and test this thing out and see how it does.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, 2 seconds, I'm ready to tighten it.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I guess the exhaust thing broke.
It didn't break, it just... I have a 1-inch clamp instead of a 4-inch to hold it together. So this piece of shit falls apart
And then
every once in a while. Oh, fuck.
Zip ties. Slap a couple zip ties in there, you're saying, eh? Yo, next time I'm bringing coat hangers.
Oh, it just fucking comes apart at the clamp.
Oh boy.
I welded the hanger on crooked so it fucking comes undone.
There we go.
Should be good for a while.
All right then. I guess that's it. We got her up. Eric was backing up a minute ago. This guy backed into a tree, derooted it, and said, "Let's go." I guess as long as it doesn't catch on the exhaust, then it'll be all good. And if it does, well, then you guys will get some great footage. See, you don't need to go to the garden center. You just got to come off-roading. So this is pretty much what most of the trail is like. Other than the rock crawling sections, it's all just like going through swamps. Definitely swampy. And like, it is a good time, but for all those guys wondering why I put a snorkel on the Gladiator, well, it gets a little bit hectic out here, and I've already gone through an engine in the TJ. Now, the TJ engine was 700 bucks. Gladiator engine's not gonna be 700 bucks. Let me tell you that much. But there's also a lot of cool rock crawling areas like this. And like, yeah, this is nothing special. These aren't the obstacles, but that's pretty much what the trail is like. And I did say we were gonna go hit up Scotchline, and that is my favorite trail. But unfortunately, I missed out. I wasn't able to make it from my own fault. So this week I went out with the boys and we're at Concession Lake. So if you guys were wondering which trail we're at, this is Concession Lake. So it's kind of funny, Eric was just telling me a story about how he had to pull a stolen vehicle out of the trail here. And I'm laughing and I'm like, what kind of vehicle was it? And he goes, oh, Jeep Liberty. And I go, oh yeah? That's the one that was here with us that day. Holy shit, I didn't see that drop off. Hey, I'm filming, don't take the camera from me. So like I was about to say to you guys before I got rudely interrupted, Eric went and pulled that guy out. Little did I know, that was the guy that was with us that popped his tire and we were trying to fix his Jeep for him. Well, it wasn't his Jeep. Little did I know. I had no idea that it was a stolen Jeep, but he said he was going camping. Like, he had camping gear, he was with his girl, he had a Jeep, like, it looked legit. But I guess it wasn't legit. But it's kind of funny that Eric's the one that pulled him out. He goes, yeah, that was me. And that's how he met Darnell. So it's kind of funny, it all goes full circle. Like, everybody I've met here, I've met through off-roading. And that's a nice climb. Let's get that on video. Oh man, you gotta have the trail jerky. I'm sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full, but trail jerky slaps.
I splashed my feet with mud. Ew.
Oh no.
It's all gooey.
Oh no. My bad, I just didn't want to get stuck.
This is a new shirt.
It's okay, mud washes out.
Oh, this is not the bath I was talking about.
You're alright.
No.
But it's not like I don't have it on my side. This is one of the longest water crossings here, and definitely it gets deep. Yeah, that last one did get a little bit deep. We got a little bit of water in here. And it's not too crazy, but it's soggy. It's definitely soggy. Yeah, not too bad. She does pretty good. Now, it is a little bit driver mod, it is a little bit Jeep, but at the end of the day, she does pretty good.
Back up a little bit and go more past you. Yeah, even come down off that rock. Yep. There. You just hug that tree and you should walk right up there.
Yep.
There you go. See?
Oh, that was nice.
You still got time to roll it, so be careful. Of course.
Good job, Darnell, man. You see, 40s make a difference, because this rock right here, and you can see, that's a hell of an obstacle, man. Like
6
this.
foot right there.
Yeah, that's a big rock. So yeah, 40s are where it's at.
You're gonna have to guide me, buddy.
Gonna climb this rock here. Go past here a bit. Here a little bit. Gonna climb.
Hey,
Gonna climb the passenger
that's okay.
side.
You want past?
Oh, you slid off.
I can't see what the fucking seat's on. I can't see my fucking door.
Hard driver.
Oh, the rocks were loose.
You gotta try and get these wheels up on this ledge. You just bounced off of it.
All right, let's go straight up. Good.
Back up a little bit, turn driver. Driver. Okay, wait. Passenger. Now come up. Hard passenger. Oh, you're on the tree.
You're okay. You're good. Yeah, you're okay.
If you hug passenger, man, it might grab the wall.
Right there.
A little bump in the good.
Honestly, a little passenger and you're okay.
This one's gonna come up like, go ahead.
Back up a little bit and come passenger. Just a tad. Keep going.
Send it.
Keep going.
Send
Keep
it.
going. You're good. You're okay.
You're good. Go. Go up.
You're up it.
Driver. Hey.
Driver.
Driver. Hard driver.
Okay.
Yep.
You're good. Follow that line. I'm gonna drop.
Yeah.
Down.
Look at that. Stinger bar's almost working.
And you're down.
And that was on 33s. So I guess I stand corrected. 40s make it easier, but he still did it. So props to Eric, because he knows his rig. But I still don't think I have the balls to do this today. I'll be honest with you guys. My pinion's missing a couple teeth. And like I said, every single time I've come out here, I've almost, well actually, yeah. One time I had to sleep. 2 times we made it out. But today, I'm not gonna be risking this. The V-notch where I destroyed my transfer case, that is something that I will be attempting, because that is kind of like my nemesis out here. Every single time I come out here, I can't make it over it, and the last time it destroyed my transfer case. So this time, we're going back and we're gonna conquer it. Oh man, when the bugs get bad enough, you pull out the 2 for $20 hats off Amazon. Oh man, everybody's having a good laugh, but at least I don't have bugs in my face. Well guys, you can't get away from the trail fixes. Someone pulled the handle too tight. I don't know if it was me or if it was Justine, but the handles popped out, so now I gotta take the panel off so that I can actually pop it back in place. It's actually pretty easy because I've done this like a dozen times now. And the trick is always have your window up, because I had it down once and you can't get to the linkage with the window down. The more you know. And there it is. Basically what you got to do is hold the linkage all the way in the open position and get the handle to pop back over, because there's a little lever that likes to jump over. And yeah.
Well, excuse you. Someone's making noise.
So we've made it to the V-notch. This is basically where it destroyed my Jeep. So, and I think we might have just destroyed something else on Eric's Jeep. I hope not.
In the front end, I heard a clunk. Steering.
Is it a stabilizer?
ABS light just came on.
I don't see anything that stands out.
Go left and right.
Nothing stands out, like nothing is broken that I can see.
An ABS light or something? It just turned on, yeah, it's never ever come on. What's where did it scrape? Tyler, just here? Your bumper here, this chair. Oh, just that? That was it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, because this is another rock slider here. Okay.
Yeah, I heard a clunk.
That sounds good.
She fixed herself.
I'm just checking my U-joint. Everything sounds good.
Yeah, I don't hear nothing. I think it was just you pulling off the bumper, your back end hooking and shit. You're on there pretty good. Way easier.
Beautiful.
You want to guide me up it too?
Yeah, that was nothing, eh?
You go up it?
Yeah.
Go drive.
No. Back up. You gotta get your wheel on this rock right here. Come straight up this way.
That was easy.
Passenger. Hey, driver.
Whoa!
Holy shit.
Whatever, you're gonna have to
Find
back up.
yourself back up on that rock.
That's like you that time, remember?
Jesus Christ.
So we gotta bring right over. No, just gotta keep him coming when he starts driving. Just keep
I feel like I'm gonna roll even before I get up there though.
No, you just gotta
Right
keep,
away.
as soon as you're tired, as soon as you're over on this rock, just keep drivers, like drive right towards me. Someone's rock down there.
Too much on the
You
steering
gotta line
there.
it up again.
He comes wide. And he comes up this way.
Gotta move the ass end over a bit.
Jesus Christ.
You did that on Smokin.
With the red Jeep, yo.
I
Holy
thought he was
shit.
just fucking, remember we all grabbed the bumper because he almost rolled.
Yeah.
Yeah, but keep coming, driver.
Woo! First time!
Beautiful.
Park beside me.
Woo! First time, guys. Like I said, I was gonna keep trying it until we made it, and we made it. Now, honestly, after that first little tippy section there, I kind of thought that I wasn't gonna make it and we were gonna roll the Jeep. But to be honest, I was at peace with it. As soon as it was gonna roll, I kind of said to myself, "It's gonna fucking roll. Let's roll it. Let's roll it good."
Pardon you? Pardon you?
I mean, it wasn't gonna go over.
Pardon you? Guys, stop listening to him. He's giving you bad. No.
We had lots of fun. Don't listen to her. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna be back. with maybe more teeth in our pinion next time. But honestly, the Jeep does great. You just gotta have a little bit of faith, and at the end of the day, have a great spotter. So shout out to Tyler, because without him, I don't think I would have made it up there.
Too easy. Way to make
That was a walk in the park for the 40s, man. But that's what you get. And to be honest, I'm super jealous. Darnell went out and picked that thing up as is for 9 grand. If I could find something like that for 9 grand, whoo, we're gonna be sending it on the channel. Yeah, you're good. You didn't touch. I think you're on your hitch. I think you're on your hitch. Because both your back tires are spinning.
Oh, so he didn't even touch it?
No.
So he's on the hitch?
I think so. Yeah, you're good now.
You might have to back up and reset. He's on the bottom, but okay.
I think get your ass end more that way.
Smell the burning rubber. Oh yeah.
It's just a rock.
You want your driver's tire right on that knob.
Yep, beauty.
It's the wheelbase just working out that you're right at that.
I don't have the right departure angle.
Little more passenger.
My roll, I'm blaming you.
Hey, driver, you can see better from up there.
You're okay. Oh, maybe. Back up a little bit. Come a little more, driver. A little more. Okay, yeah. Drivers. Right there. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, right there. Still, that's a big rock to get up. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, you're doing it. You're there.
You got it. You got it.
Beauty. Look at that.
Belly hang up, eh?
Did pretty good.
A bit more. A little more.
He's got it.
A little more. That's why I heard it.
You know, I kind of think the Gladiator would make it up that too. I don't know about in its stock form, but once I lift it and put some bigger tires on it, I think it would make it up that quite easily. And he would have made it up too if he had like half an inch more of clearance, or if he just like sucked it in a little bit, because he just bellied out just barely, like it was almost there.
Just one fucking wall of rock there. Well, you got one on each side. You're hitting that one, and then this one's your next one, right?
Oh, you were close. You were mighty close.
Yeah, but I don't know. His axle, if I just go one back.
Left side will make it, the back right.
Yeah, this is all what we took was you put your driver's wheel on
I
this.
saw that shit.
Once you're up over that, you just turn hard drivers. Three-wheel burning, eh?
Fucking open diff in the front.
I know.
I don't know, mine did it.
Get different tires, bigger tires.
Yeah, they're wide.
And they're bigger too, right? But you did bounce around a bit too.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I kept trying to not have it like
Yeah, because that's when you break your...
it's gonna break a lot of shit.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. Keep coming, drivers. Easy, drivers.
You're almost up.
Yeah, he was right there.
He's right there.
You don't want to go too rammy though, because that's when you roll.
Yes! Beautiful! Good job, brother! Whoa, 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 whoa!
After, buddy. Drive shaft. Drive shaft down. Which one? Rear. We have one.
We've got a spare.
Okay, we're gonna have to, don't move.
Yeah, the rear drive shaft just shit
We're gonna
itself.
have to tie it
You can
up.
see it hanging off at the end over there. Well, I guess it's not the drive shaft.
Right to his shaft.
Looks like it's the pinion. So we brought an extra drive shaft. We didn't bring an extra pinion.
Wait for me to pull you. Slow. That's it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me pull you. A little bit farther. And turn drivers. Yeah. A little bit more. Just stop. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, stop there. We'll just hook the strap on him when he pulls forward. That's good.
Yeah, like there's caps there, but I'm sure.
Oh, here's one of the caps.
Look, here's a nut.
Oh, it's still good.
Here's a bolt from the ear.
That cap's good. That cap's good.
There you go. You still got those.
Now I can fucking drill them out.
At least you have the retainers. Here's a broken bolt. That got sheared. Well, she looks awesome all flexed out, but unfortunately, it's not an action shot. And I think we're gonna have to tow her out. But the good thing is that it is only the rear, and as long as we can keep the front intact, then he can throw it into four-wheel drive and still get it home without having to actually call for a flatbed. So that's a good thing. So you can see there, all the ears came out, so all the retainers came out. The bolts are still there. So the pinion is actually still okay, I think. You just have to actually extract all the bolts, and then we could throw another drive shaft back in there, because the U-joint also kind of exploded. But other than that,
You don't carry a spare for a pickup truck.
I think it should be okay. Not too bad. Like, it honestly could be a lot worse. When I broke down in the exact same position, doing the exact same thing in this exact same spot, my transfer case exploded into 3 pieces. So I would rather have that than what I had. So yeah, he's not in a good position, but not in a terrible position either.
Oh my god.
You can pick him up. Whoop, easy, keep going.
Why?
Keep going. Fuck, he's moving pretty quick.
He's peeing. He's got a lot of pee.
You got him? I wasn't sure if his claws reached or not.
What are you doing all the way over here? But seriously, what are you doing all the way over here? You need water.
You taking him somewhere?
Well, he needs water. I'm not sure where to place him.
Hug this. The passenger is straight out of that now. Just the very bottom. You're okay. Nightcrawler. Bottom of your diff again. You're better off to go forward. You've gone past the worst part. We're gonna climb. Okay, hang on.
A little bit of scrapey.
Yo, can you back up just a little bit?
What'd you say?
Can you back up just a little bit?
Maybe.
So he's bottomed out on the diff. Yeah. And apparently we found a turtle in the middle of the trail. Like, yeah, Justine's trying to find him some water right now. So yeah, that's a first.
Beautiful.
The way I did it is I put a tire right there. Yep. That's it. Got her. That was nice. See, you showed me that. I actually usually go up either there or there. I didn't know you could.
That's the way I did do it.
Yeah. Why not, man? It works.
This is bad because this is a bad dip area here, right?
Yeah.
If
So
you don't stay, that's why everybody stays tight behind you.
So like I usually go up either right there or I go up right there. But today Eric kind of showed me you can kind of diagonal it up and it works great. You know, try cutting it maybe. Yeah. Okay, yeah, keep going.
Easy, go slow. No, back up now. Third passenger, back up a bit. Oh, that's bad. Oh, the fender.
That's just your tire in the fender.
Driver. Doug. Whoa! Back up.
Yeah, that could have got pretty messy right there.
We don't want that there.
I'd say come a little bit more driver so you can go around that whole thing. Just try to, that's it, yeah, get your passenger tire in that crevice and you're good.
That's what I was trying to get him to do.
It slipped off though, I guess.
Yeah, that's just your fender. Whoa! There's driver. Back. Just pull slow, Darnell. Slow. Okay, now driver. Creep it. You creep it. Just creep it. Okay. Yeah, go. You're up now, buddy. Good.
I shit you not, there's a quartz vein on the rock we were just stuck on. There's rock on this mountain. There's gold on this mountain.
We've been watching a lot of Gold Rush lately. So we're all on that Gold Rush tip, but I was gonna say, what'd you do with the damn turtle?
Oh, I put him in the little lake that's over there. I slipped him in. He was very happy about it. He just started swimming right away.
Well, there you go, guys. Saving turtles while we're out here having a good time on the trails. Nothing wrong with that. It came in a little. Oh man, madness things, I tell you.
Oh, babe.
Madness, I'm telling you. That shit was so deep back there. I had to go through it like at a good pace and it just started gurgling in here and
Oh, yeah.
what are you gonna do?
Oh, it's sand and shit.
Oh yeah.
Well, it looks like somebody had a bad day riding their snowmobile. Yeah,
Hey, did you check in here for
this
any
thing definitely got hot. Jeez, like look at that.
Snowmobile that caught fire.
Yeah, it was a snowmobile.
It burned. Had to.
Oh yeah, she got hot. Well, everybody made it out. The boys are just pulling out of the trail right now, so good day. We only had 2 breakdowns. I was gonna say 1, but the guys at the beginning broke down and I think they got a tire. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to check in with Mo and see exactly what's going on. But I don't really have service out here, so it's not like we can really contact each other that easily. But we all made it out. And I don't know if Ryan was taping this for his channel today, but
I'm gonna be putting up a bunch of shorts on my channel.
So I will post a link to his channel. Well, as I was saying before my battery died, everybody made it out. I do need to check with the other guys if they got out and got their tires, because I don't have great service in here. And I will be posting a link to Ryan's channel in the description. He is making a bunch of shorts from today, so he will have a bunch of content as well. And to be honest with you guys, I think that's the way to do it. Every single time I've come here, I've either gotten body damage or actual damage. And this time I came here with teeth missing from the pinion. So I pulled one over on the trail. You gotta come here already broken so that the trail can't mess your Jeep up. I guess that's the trick, you know. You can't bring a nice new rig in here. You can't fix everything before you come in here. You gotta come in here limping a little bit, and yeah. No, but all jokes aside, I'm happy that we made it through. I'm happy that we made it out, and we did finally actually do the V-notch, which is a great success. I'm super happy that we did that. I did think we were gonna roll it at one point, but at this point with this thing, it's full send. Have a good time and don't die. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys are going to be here for the next one. If you guys are new around here, please jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. But until then guys, ride safe out there. Peace.